What them a go do ya now? NEWLINK and the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. NEWLINK.
Bless up my viewers and subscribers. Big up in the cell, man. I don't know so they attacking boss. They are NEWLINK from NEWLINK production. And I mean say attack. Some people, you know say, me see a look clip my viewers and subscribers in. And when me see it, my people, me have to just laugh and watch it in the Jaja sees, Jaja knows. So basically now people, it's a man now who call himself Ringo, Rango, Rhino, Rumbo, Rengo, all type of name of people, which one ever fit him. See, but this man basically him the day at the bar or something, maybe him take a shot at the rear and him forgot the nephew or something, people or some come and never get party, you know what I mean? But him under something, you know, Jaja sees, Jaja knows. So this man I say, yo, like somebody asked him, say, yo, are you do whatever popcorn and I can say, yo, you know, say me introduce popcorn to cartel and me tell cartel for bust popcorn and people, but not tell a lie, the man clot up him chest certain way, which me think him chest place that bust out, me think he that tear out. Jaja sees, Jaja knows. So me I got to know my people, me I got play that little place a clipper with Ringo, Rhino, Rango, Rengo. You understand my people? And then me drop back in.
What you tell for boss?
Me tell cartel say yo bust popcorn.
You tell cartel that?
Me tell Rambo say Rambo tell cartel for bust popcorn.
So you're one of the biggest artists in Jamaica?
So I two tell cartel come for me. Me, look for me good. I'm in here Ragga. Look for me good. I'm in here Ragga. Go ask anything you want to ask. Go ask cartel too. Go on man, go ask cartel.
Some viewers and subscribers, what you all think? You think that this man send, you know what I mean, the boss road popcorn, based on the fact where I say you are me, you know what I mean, tell cartels for put popcorn out there, me tell cartel for bust popcorn, you know what I mean, my people, wish, we don't know say behind every artist, you know, there is something behind it, my people, you understand, some secret there behind it, something hidden, but I'm saying people, I'm wonder if it's the Ray forgotten the nephew is telling him this in his head, I wonder if it's the Cam forgot Parry is telling him this in the head, my people. Jaja sees, Jaja knows. But what do you all think, people? Do you think he is the real man behind popcorn success after comes a boom and tell cartel? So look at a teacher, show popcorn a road. Do you all believe, my people? What you all think? Let the attacking boss know. Because from me personally, people, I'm not going to say honor him. You know what I mean? Me not gonna say I know him, the people, because you never know. And him say cartel did one bust him to my people. See, but me I say, yo, if I say him did good, if I say him did great. Wonder if he on a big song out there, and me could say a little clip with him a bust to the big tune them, But I'm saying, people, wonder if it's a real, plus the nephew are forgotten the nephew, or they come forgotten the Kami, the Parry is influencing him. I'm telling him all of these things, but people, Or wonder if he's the real man behind popcorn success. Wonder if he's popcorn hidden successor, hidden secret pusher, you know what I mean? Hidden something. You have to think, you have to wonder. Seeing, which we all know as a people, popcorn legend in the music, my people, an artist who stand out, an artist who set him ways, who pave the thing, my people, international star. And when I talk about popcorn, you know, people, you have to put popcorn over there saying a league by himself, you know, my people. If you know, say, yo, he's one of our most successful dancehall artists in the younger generation, my people, and to say, yo, where the youth come forward and achieve out of the music, people, and how him continue to be and portraying things as an artist. Jaja sees, Jaja knows. So Ringo, Rango, Krango, Krango, if you really behind the popcorn thing, me I tell us say you is a legend yourself too. You know what I mean? And we are gonna appreciate the fact so you take your time out to come say boom and say cartel, shoot pop scholar road, cartel, bust popcorn, cartel, sip popcorn, you're a good artist. If you really behind it, Ringo, Rango, Renga, Shrengo, big up yourself. But I one thing me I tell us say if not you behind it and a lie I tell, yo, you better go look for real and try find back the nephew and go try hip hop come and go look for Parry and get the self fix and get your brain put together. Jaja sees, Jaja knows. So my people, when me I go leave with my people, me have a look a piece of clip, you understand when me I go showcase Tone and them say it's about a truck driver who did pass away in a Jamaica, people. Me don't know how him really pass, if it was a Axie or Wagwan, the people, but them say it's a truck driver and then they pass away and them recently have a send off female people, and you don't know Jamaica got to work people, and we have send off for certain type of people, especially a truck driver, taxi driver, or them are going to deal with it. So them put on them thing on the trailer and give him a send off and thing, and them saying was called Lenny. So a lot of people know him. So I say condolences to the family of Lenny, and may his soul rest in peace. And you know what I mean? I say, you know, so I go showcase a local clip people how them they do them settings and how them do them thing, and you know how them send off Lenny and things. So you don't know the thing of people, more love, more respect, or more blessings when you don't know say they attacking boss there to keep you all informed, to keep you all entertained, and you don't know say one scheme, one dream, one team, and one attacking boss. And remember, if you don't follow me on Instagram, my people, and Facebook and Twitter, you make sure you better go do it now. NEWLINK Production Official Attacking Boss. Make sure you follow the thing, them support the attacking boss. So people, because a lot of video when me have people when me can't show over yasso, because you know that sometimes we have certain stories, certain topic, my people, and me can't blast over yasso. Only when me can blast it, and when my people over. Okay, so follow the thing, NEWLINK Production Official Attacking Boss. Peace out, my people. More love, more respect. Be safe, be great. And remember, people, one team, one dream, one scheme, one attacking boss.